In this video, I'll show you how to reverse videos on Snapchat. If you're new to the channel, please go down below and hit the subscribe button, and once you have subscribed, please go and leave a like as well. I really do appreciate it. Make sure you watch this video right until the end, as well as I'm showing you the full guide throughout this video, and you may miss certain parts of the video if you skip through it. So without any further ado, let's go and get into this. So as you can see, I'm currently on Snapchat. I am on an iPhone, but this tutorial is going to work regardless of device type. As long as you've got Snapchat, this is going to work absolutely fine. So of course, the first thing you want to do is go and open up Snapchat like I am, and make sure you go and start recording what you want to go and put into reverse. For example, if I just come over here, I'll get a pen out or something, and I'm going to go and put this video in reverse. So let's go and record something quickly. I'll just move my mic. So let's start with the pen in this angle, and what I'm going to do is I'm simply going to go and move it around like that so it goes 180 degrees. Then I'm going to stop recording. I'm just going to turn the sound off. And the next thing I want to do is I need to go and put this into reverse, right? So what you want to do is simply go and swipe to the left. So it moves over like this, swipe to the left. So from the right to the left, like so. And you want to keep going. You'll get a few filters, but if you keep going, you then get slow, you then get fast, and then you get very fast, and then you go and get reverse. As you can see, it then goes and puts it into reverse, and you can go and publish it and share it on your story, send it to people, all in reverse, and it's that easy. And you can, with any video of course, and I'll go and save it right now just quickly. That's literally it, guys. You simply swipe across a few times until you see this reverse logo like that, and it goes and rewinds it basically, and that's how it looks like. And you go and add text, add any pen tools you want, just like usual. So just to conclude, is after the speeding up, you then get the 3 arrows, and that is reversing it. So yeah, that's literally it, guys. If you found this guide useful, please go down below and hit that subscribe button for more content just like this. Leave a like for more. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.